Yo, what is up guys? Zilla back here once again for another video. So unfortunately today I did forget my SD card at home. So most of the things I had, well I mean to be honest, all of the things I had was on my GoPro, so I only have pretty much ride-alongs, or not ride-alongs, but like kind of POV shots from me drifting. So hopefully you don't get annoyed by that, but that is all I have for today. So hopefully you enjoy. I do talk a little bit to kind of say what's going on my mind, so just like a little vlog type of thing. So hopefully you enjoyed. And yeah, so you'll go ahead and see what also happened to this bad boy. And then I'll talk about what happened on this side as well, which is probably the worst. I'll give you a little sneak peek right there. As you can see, there's like a huge gash, but I'll go ahead and leave that for another video. But for now, hopefully you enjoy this video. Yeah, I'll go ahead and catch you guys afterwards. Alrighty guys, first lap. Let's see how she goes. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Yo, I like the way this feels though. These coilovers, they're just so much more predictable. Like you saw, I flicked it and the back end almost spun out on me. I was not used to that I'm not used to that because the OEM struts, they just really like, you have to flick it into the turn so that the back end sticks out. This one, you barely clutch kicked and that thing, man, it feels so much better. Sorry if I just blew everyone's ears who are listening in headphones, but thank you for watching that. Make sure I'm recording. Yes, I was. Yeah. Now I gotta wait for the boy Juan. I felt so bad. I saw him at the end. That was a pretty good one. Woo! I saw Juan on my door last second. Yeah, boy. My visor keeps getting so foggy when I put it down, so I couldn't even see the cones. Man, I was on them pretty good though, not gonna lie. That sucks. Wish I could have ended up strong though. Yo, what is up guys? Zilla back here once again, just here to close out the video. Just wanted to go ahead and say thank you. Really appreciate you for taking time out your day to go ahead and watch me blab on about what I need to talk about. But yes, hopefully next video I'll have a little story of what happened today. Was kind of sad, but I mean, accidents happen. Just glad no one got hurt. It's time for new over-fenders. That's all I have to say. But yes, so like I said, definitely do appreciate you guys taking time out your day to watch this video. If you enjoyed, definitely don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really means a lot.